The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for northeastern St. Charles County, north central St. Louis County, until 4 p.m. At 3:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over St. Charles, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include St. Charles, St. Peters, Florissant, Alton, Maryland Heights, Hazelwood, Godfrey, Bridgeton, West Alton, Portage de Sioux, and Orchard Farms. This includes the following state parks. First, Missouri State Capitol Historic Site. This includes Interstate 70 in Missouri between exits 225 and 231. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.